Hello everyone, welcome back to Abasi Malas. This time I'm going to show you how to change the battery pack for HP number is DH1143TU. So let's see how we can change the battery pack for this. So here is the battery pack, and it came with a screwdriver for unscrewing all the screws in that apparatus, and then the battery. So this is not the original battery. It is purchased from a local site. Can give you the link if required. So let's see how we can change this battery. First step is to remove all the screws. You can see all the screws here and here as well, so we just need to remove this and take out all the screws from here. Let's do that. There was no screw under this. Let's see here. Okay, so here is one, so let's remove this. Yep, nothing under this. Okay, now let's open up this. So we just open up this. Now we need to remove one, two, three screws. One more here, 4 screws, and then we'll take out the battery. Let's put the new one here. So this is the battery here. And see. Okay, so it's now starting up. Everything looks okay. Okay, so it's all good. I can see this one here. We'll check the battery statistics after. So it's all done. Now let's pack this back.